cheer. In the background, the Swarm versus the Knights is going on behind me. Looks like the Swarm may have just scored a goal. If that's true, looks like it's Knights 3, Swarm 1. We'll see who will be playing tomorrow on the other side. As for us here today, looks like we got a full team, maybe minus Francisco. Boys were absolutely jamming in the locker room this morning. They are ready. Here we go. Looks like Brody on the face-off. Pirates take the puck, trying to bring it down the middle. Blizzard intercept. Oh, good move, boys, good move. Pirates take the puck. Oh, spin out on the ice. That's all right. Pirates pick it up again, trying to bring it down, but we are hot on their tail. Pirates are trying their best, but they just can't seem to break it free. Emmett is on their tail. No one can quite get control of it. Crosby tries to make a move for it, but no, and Alex scoops it up. All right, shift change happening. Can't quite see who's on the face-off here. And puck's down. Pirates go for it, but lose control. Looks like Brody's got it. He's bringing it down into Blizzard territory, out of Blizzard territory, into Pirates. He's going to go for the shot and doesn't quite make it. Just slightly shy. Trying to ice it here, but didn't quite make it. Oh, Beal tries to pull it away from the Pirate there, but misses. Brody's going for it. He knocks it out of the way, but to no avail. Pirates get it again. Pirates have control here. Tried to go for it, but it was a little too wide. Bounces off of Alex, and Brody's got it. Bring it down center ice. Right into Pirate territory where they were waiting for him. He brings it around, takes a shot, and oh man, on top of the goal. Good try, Brody. Good try, my guy. That's all right. We will get to try it again here. Down for the face-off. We got Pomaro. Takes the puck. Brody almost gets it. Oh, but he's down. Oh, Phoenix got the puck. He brought it down. Oh, lost it. Got it to Pomaro. Pomaro is bringing it down. Right side of the ice. Trying to make it towards the goal here. Looks like, was there a call? just kind of gave up. Let's see, offsides. That's all right. Christian's up at the face-off again. Ooh, unclear who won that face-off. That's all right. Let's see, Blizzard's got the puck, but in a precarious position here. Pirates got control, if only for the second here. Christian's in on it. Oh, they pass it away from Christian, but that's okay. Corte pushing it forward. And offsides call. We got Emmett on the face-off here. And puck down. Pirates technically win that face-off. Trying to bring it down to Blizzard ice, but Emmett will not let them do so. Jenkins hits it forward, but there is no one to catch it. Oh no, Emmett's trying to get on it. Back and forth, and Pirates get a hold of it. Down the right side of the ice. Oh, tried to pass it to the center, but missed. They're fighting over it in that corner. Can't quite see it on this video, unfortunately. Looks like Emmett's trying to push it forward, and let's see, Jenkins passes it, but no one was there to catch it, so Pirates are bringing it around the backside of their own net. Emmett's on their tail. Jenkins coming for it, tries to take the shot. Pirates are in the way. Let's see, unclear who has control of the puck. It is up against the wall. Pirates get it, but Emmett intercepts. He's trying to bring it down the center of the ice here. Pirates are on their A game. Looks like Emmett's pushing it down. Right behind the net. Pirates get a hold of it. AJ grabs a hold of it, but can't quite keep it. Oh, he's got it. He broke free. He tried to score, but didn't quite make it. That's all right. Puck is still in play. They're trying to push it in. Goalie can't quite get a hold of it, and Pirates break it free. Let's see. Oh, almost a goal for AJ. Didn't quite make it. Pirates get control. Blizzard hot on their tail. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Blizzard are trying to bring it downtown, but Pirates get a hold of it. They're trying to get it to center ice here. Alex is on top of it. Pirates get a hold. Blizzard pass it back and forth. They are playing volleyball at this moment. Back and forth between the wrong teams. They are fighting for it. Corte breaks free. He's coming down the left side of the ice here, trying to out-skate the Pirates. Pirates are hot on his tail. He tries to make a shot, but the Pirate goalie is on it. Looks like everyone's a little bit confused. Puck might still be in play here. Pirates grab it. Start bringing it down into Blizzard territory. AJ passes it behind the goal. They're passing it forward so quickly, the Blizzard aren't even realizing that they are passing it forward that quickly. Pirates push it back into Blizzard territory, but not for long. Uh-oh, and Pirates score! First score of the game with 8 minutes and 30 seconds left on the clock here. Looks like number 23, looks like. 23 scored the goal. All right, back to the face-off. Christian is representing us here. Pomero passes it to O'Donnell. Pomero pulls it around into blizzard territory, trying to get around the pirate swarm here. He makes it through. He's bringing it down the ice. He takes a shot, and oh, the goalie saves. That's all right. Still 7 minutes and 50 seconds in on the first period. Doing all right. Pomero on the face-off again. And he wins the face-off. Takes a shot. Doesn't quite make it. Oh, man. Malia tries to take that shot, but the goalie was on it on time. Didn't quite make it. Christian tries to shoot. There's too many pirates in on it. Skate hard. AJ interrupts the puck here. He tries to score down to the center, but pirates are in the way. Looks like Brody's got the puck here. He's going to try to score, but pirates knock it out of his hand here. Nobody's quite sure. They push it down. Might be an icing call here. Puck is going down fast. Blizzard is trying real hard to catch up with it. They are skating hard. Let's see who has the puck. Hayford tries to make it. Goalie catches it. No goal. Close is only good in horseshoes and hand grenades, boys. We got to make contact here. 6 minutes and 17 seconds left in the first period. We're still down 1. We got Emmett on the face-off here. Let's see. Pirates get control. Emmett intercepts. Trying to get it to that goal. Can't quite make contact. Beal is running hard trying to get it here. Can't quite make it. Back and forth, doing the volleyball trick. Hasn't worked out quite yet. Pirates get control. Down center ice, but the Blizzard are on top of him. They try to score a goal, but Alex catches it. I'll say it once, I'll say it again. Alex is the best player on this team, but no favorites. Everybody's working hard on this puck here. Sorry, can't quite see from this angle, but looks like Blizzard got the control and bringing it down. Pirates are everywhere. It's still in. Beal passes to Crosby. Crosby back to Beal. Beal doesn't quite get it. Oh, Pirates come in and snatch it away. But that's all right. Beal's on it, but oh, Beal falls. Doesn't quite get it. Oh, Corte gets the puck. He's bringing it down into Pirate territory. Pirates get control. Bringing it down center ice. They're swerving. The Blizzards are on them. Bouncing it off. Pirates get control again. Trying to take it towards center ice, but looks like number 22, Emmett, he's got it. He's going to take the shot and oh! Goalie catches it out of air. That's right, that's right. We're wearing them down, boys. We're wearing them down. Still 1-0. We're falling behind here a little bit. 3 minutes, 35 seconds left in the period. Looks like AJ's representing us in the face-off. And puck is down. AJ wins it. Oslin passes it. Brody's trying to grab it. Can't quite get it. Pirates are bringing it down the side, trying to pass it to center ice. Brody interrupts. They don't quite make it. Passes off some skates here, trying to get towards center ice, but Pirates taking control. Looks like, okay, Blizzard's got a hold of it. Brody's bringing it down to ice. He passes it. Oh no, didn't quite make contact. They're trying to get that puck off the corner. AJ is waiting for him. They're trying to break free here. Oslim's got the puck. He passes it to Brody. Brody's bringing it down the side. He's going to try to take that shot. Take the shot, Brody. And wide. Didn't quite get it. Pirates got the puck. They're bringing it down center ice, but Oslim is hot on the tail here. They're trying to bring it around. They take the shot, and Alex. Oh! Team effort. Team effort. Did not score, although that seemed like a surefire score. They were able to block it. Team effort there. Pirates have it against. Oh, they're bringing it towards the center ice. Oh, failed passing. Looks like we got Brody on the puck. Can't quite get it. That's all right. That's all right. Oslim's trying to get it. Oh, goalie. And it's in! Woo! Team effort! Oslim and AJ. Good job, kiddos. Good job, boys. It is tied up 1-1. 1 minute and 30 seconds left in this period. They are just warming up here. I should have said cooling down. Let's go Pirates! Let's go Pirates! Let's go Pirates! Let's go Pirates! All right. Pirates take it on face-off. They are trying to bring it down center ice. They pass it, but there is no Pirate there to get it. Blizzard grabs hold of it. Looks like they are bringing it down. It is, who is that? We've got number 14 and Hayford are passing it back and forth, trying to get it in there. Didn't quite make it. That's all right. We're still in Pirate territory, but Pirates have got advantage. Oh no, he lost the puck. That's all right. He's pulling it out. He's going to take it down side of the ice. And Corte intercepts the pass. Christian tries to send it back to Corte. Corte doesn't quite see what's going on here. They're all fighting over it. Oh man, they take the shot, but it does not go in. Goes behind the goal. They are fighting it over in this corner here. Oh, they hit it hard. It's safe, no icing call. Pirates get a hold of it, bring it around the backside of their goal. About to be the end of the first period here, and there is the call. End of first period, 1-1. Let's see if we can pull it out this second period. Knights are still winning on the other side, 4-2. Looks like we might be up against the Knights tomorrow, assuming that we win today. Swarm are down. They are still in their second period. Looks like they are having a team huddle here. Looks like we got Emmett on the face-off here. Emmett wins the face-off, but Pirates grab it out from underneath them. They are bringing it down into Blizzard territory. It's bringing it around the backside of the Blizzard. Pirates still have control. Oh, Pirates fall. Fall on the puck. That's right, Emmett pulls it out. Looks like Crosby is bringing it down. He's trying to bring it down the center. Pirates are waiting for him. He evades. He's going in for the shoot and bounces off the goal. Looks like Pirates gain control. They're bringing it back down into Blizzard territory. Jenkins tries to keep them out, but it doesn't quite work. They take the shot and miss. Now it's coming down. They can't quite make out who is going to come out on top of this puck rustle. Looks like Pirates grab it. They're trying to evade, dodge and weave, and Alex drops it! He drops it into the goal! Oh no! Pirates get a goal by a technicality. Oh boy. That's okay, Alex. 2-1, 14 minutes and 30 seconds left on the clock. Looks like AJ was at the face-off, didn't quite grab control of the puck, but neither did the Pirates, so that's fine. Trying to bring it down into Pirate territory and offsides. No one really won that face-off. Pirates and Blizzards are just trying to get a hold of it. Brody grabs it, he's evading. He's pulling it down here, taking the shot, and goalie saves it, but it bounces off, so it's still in play. Pirates bring it around the backside of their goal. He's coming down the side here. We are waiting for him. Pirates trying to get it in the goal, can't quite make it. Blizzards are swarming them, and looks like Brody's at it again. He's going down the ice, trying to evade the Pirates. The Pirates are giving him a fight for his money. He takes a shot and doesn't quite make it. Puck is still in play. Takes another shot, doesn't quite make it. Pirates get a hold of the puck. They are bringing it down into Blizzard territory. Oh, Brody better be careful. He almost got a tripping call there. Beal's got it. He passes it. Passes it to AJ. Doesn't quite make contact. Pirates get it. Looks like Brody's got it behind the goal. Can't quite get it past the Pirates. Beal's giving it another shot to Lipcott. Lipcott takes it, puts it down towards the center of the ice here. Conrad grabs it. Oh! Loses control. Pirates take it. Brody intercepts, puts it right through the legs. Oh my goodness, what a trick. AJ and Beal are on it, but to no avail. Pirates grab it again there, bringing it down the side. And Alex grabs it for a save. Doing a shift change here. Still 2-1. We're behind here for 11 minutes and 41 seconds in the second period. Boys got to make up this goal here. Let's see. Cortez got it. He's bringing it down the side. Oh, Pirates snag it from him, but that's okay. Oslam is waiting, and Alex grabs it. Good job, boys. Gonna do another face-off here. Christian's on it. It's down. Christian tries to grab it, and Alex passes it to Corte. Corte brings it around the backside. He tries to pass it to, looks like Malia. Malia doesn't quite get it. Corte grabs it. He is trying to bring it down the center. Pirates are all around. He's dodging and weaving, trying to get around him. Coming from the side, he takes the shot. Doesn't quite make it, but it is still in play. They're still trying to push it in. It is still not in the goal after several attempts, but it is still in play. They are going for it hard. Oh! That was a big hit. Corte tries to get it, doesn't quite get it. Trying to keep it. Pushes it forward back in Pirates territory, and they call it. Oh no! It is a penalty, but I cannot tell on who. Looks like maybe slashing. We got a Pirate down. Looks pretty beat up, but looks like he'll be okay. Still trying to figure out who's going in the box. Looks like nobody's going in the box. That's all right. Back to the face-off. Emmett's up there. Nobody can quite get it. They're taking it from each other faster. Let's see. Pirates got it, but only temporarily. Jenkins is on his tail. Oh, got it out of there. Good job, boys. Off it goes towards Pirate territory, but Pirates intercept. Emmett's trying to get it from him, but no. Pirates grab it, but only for a minute. Looks like Brody's trying to get it free here. No one can quite hold on to it for very long. Pirates take the shot. It's not even close. Trying to bring it around, take the shot, and Alex grabs it. Good job, buddy. Still 9 minutes and 10 seconds left on this period. Still down 2-1. These boys are trying to get it in the other goal. Pirates win the face-off. They take the shot, and Alex grabs it again. Emmett's on the face-off. They're still fighting over it. Not clear who's got control. Pirates get control. Come down the side, but Emmett intercepts. Good job, Emmett. Bring it down the middle. Pirates are in the way and knock it out of his stick. Looks like offsides call. Got a shift change here. Looks like AJ's taking the face off. Oh, Pirates win that face off. Trying to bring it down to the Blizzard territory, but Blizzard are on him. Corte's in his way. Knocks it out, goes behind the goal. Oh, and a fall. Takes out a Blizzard and a Pirate there. They're trying to get it out of there. Pirates are being sneaky. AJ is on him like white on rice, but no avail. Pirates still pull it out. If only for a second. They're trying to, oh my goodness, right off of Alex's pad there. Beal brings it around. AJ's trying to get it out of there. Conrad is right next to him. They're bringing it around the side. Can't quite see. They take the shot. Doesn't make contact there. They're fighting it over it where I cannot see. And Pirates get a hold of it. They're bringing it down. Corte is the only one in his way. And Alex saves the day. And coming in right behind. Oh no, Pirates 3, us 1. We are about halfway through the game here, 2 down. We have come back from worse. We have definitely come back from worse. We just need to get fire under these boys' skates. Pirates win the face-off. Looks like Brody gets control, doing what he does best, bringing it down, evading, and takes a shot, but no, does not make it. He gave it his best. Little update from the other side. Knights are still winning the Swarm 4-2. They are in their last period with less than 10 minutes left. All right, back to the face-off. Looks like Christian wins the face-off, but there is no one there to grab the puck for him. Oh, no. Bringing it down the ice. Come on, bring it back into Pirate territory. Dodging and weaving. Brody tries to get it. He loses it. Can't quite see what's going on in there. Finn's got the puck, but doesn't quite make it. Finn's got the puck again. He's going to take the shot. Oh, the Pirates get in the way. Puck is coming to the other side here. Coming in Blazer territory. That is just fine. Hayes grabs it. He's going to bring it down. Oh, no, he loses control. And it looks like probably offsides. Let's go, Finnick! Sorry, I had to give a shout out. Emmett tries to keep it, does not, but that's okay. Looks like Brody's in on it, but Pirates are going back and forth with it. They can't quite get control. Corte saves it. Although Alex was on top of it. Would have been just fine either way. Emmett grabs it. He is bringing it down the ice. He takes the shot, but it is too high. Goes right over. Now it's going back behind the goal. Looks like Brody passes it to, can't quite see from here. Is that Hayford? Pirates grab it. Corte's in on it though. Stops it, but then Pirates take control again. And offsides. Still 3 minutes and 22 seconds left. Down 3-1. Boys are trying hard here. AJ wins the face-off, but only momentarily. Pirates get control. Corte is on it. He is trying to save it from getting control. And in the goal it goes! Right through Alex's fingers. Oh boy. That's all right, boys. Can't get them all. Can't get them all. We are now down 4-1. Pirates get a hold of it, but no, can't quite get it. And slashing maybe? I am not sure what that is. Some sort of call. Who's it on? Oh, nope, it was offsides. I was looking at the wrong ref. Oh, good job, AJ! Right place, right time. Oh, boy. We got a shift change here. Oh, looks like there was some call. Pirates got a penalty. I fully missed what the problem was there. But we are now in a power play. Give us a good shot to get this in. Oh my, Brody tries to make a goal from the blue line. Almost makes it. Bounces off the goalie. Pirates take control. Emmett is trying real hard to get that puck away from the Pirates. Everybody, group effort, trying to get that puck away from the Pirates, but he is insistent on keeping this puck. Looks like who's that? Brody pulls it away and tries to make the shot, and oh, would have made it, but the goalie just pulls it out of the air. That's all right. We're still in Pirate territory. Give us another shot. There's less than a minute left on this period here, 45 seconds. Brody tries to make another shot from the blue line, but there are just too many skates on the ice, and is it a goal? Oh no! Goalie saved it. That looked like a goal. Woo! Oh no! I'm not sure who did the face-off. They pushed that face-off real fast, seeing as there's only 10 seconds left in this period. They are trying to get this in. Emmett trying to get it in. Corte pushing it. Doesn't quite make it. Pirates are in the way, and that is it for second period. Still down 4-1. Update on the Knights game. It is 5-2 over there. Knights winning, and they only have 3 minutes left. So tomorrow, for the playoffs, there's a very good shot the Knights are going to be there. We got a full 16 minutes to try to make up these 3 points. Here we go, boys. Pirates get control, but they can't quite keep in control. Number 7 pulling it, trying to pull it forward out of Blizzard territory. Can't quite make it. Pirates are still in the way. Can't quite tell who that is. Is that AJ pulling it forward? No, that was Oslam trying to pull it forward. Didn't quite make it. But not sure who shot that shot, but he tried. Alex was in the way. Looks like Brody is trying his best to push it forward, but there is nobody there to pass it to. He's giving it his all here. He just cannot stay up, but that is all right. They are trying here. Pirates bringing it around the backside of their own net. Blizzard hot on their tail. Pirates dodging and weaving, trying to make the shot, and oh, Pirates fall. Thinking that was an offsides call. Oh no, penalty. Who's on the penalty? Oh no. Couldn't quite catch who was on penalty, but definitely one of our boys. Hayford. Wish Heath were here. He knew a little bit better than me. These boys are really trying. Pirates grab control of the puck, trying to bring it down the side. Tried to pass it, but passes it right into AJ's hands. AJ's bringing it around down the side. Pirates are trying to scoop it out from underneath them. They are successful, and they've started to bring it down to our side, but we intercept. Let's see, who is that? Looks like Brody intercepted. He's bringing it down. Dodging and weaving, trying to get it out there. He takes the shot, but no goal. Pirates get control of the puck, bring it down center ice. They make the pass, and Alex gets it out of the goal. It is still in play. Blizzard's bringing it down center ice once again. Looks like Brody's going to give it another shot. He's going to try to get it, and in it goes! Brody gets it in. Very, very good, boys. Do 2 more of those, would ya? All right, face off. Pirates get the puck. They pass it forward. There is no Pirate there to intercept. Blizzard grabs it. Looks like Corte passes it down, and Pirates push it back into Blizzard territory here. They are trying to get that shot in. They cannot get it in because Blizzards are in the way. They're fighting over the puck. Alex is ready, and he grabs that puck. And no! It is still in play. They're trying to grab it. It is still in play. These boys are all over the place. It is a circus. Blizzard passes it to Pirates. Pirates get a hold of it. Pass it to no one. No one is there. It's down in the corner where I can't see. They are bouncing it. They're bringing it back around the back side of the goal here. Pirates grab it. They're trying to get it in there, but no avail. Emmett grabs it. He is bringing it down the side of the rink. He is dodging and weaving these Pirates. He tries to score the goal, and no, it was wide. But that's okay. It's still in play here. They are working it. They are working, trying to get that puck out. Pirates managed to grab it. Emmett tries to pull it away, but no, he is holding strong, bringing it down the side of the rink here. He has got a clear shot to the goal. These boys better pick it up, and Alex grabs it out of the air. Good save, good save. We still have 10 minutes and 33 seconds left to make up these 2 goals. want a seat at the table tomorrow, they got to pick up the pace. All right, Christian is on the face-off. Pirates win the face-off, pass it back. He's trying to make a shot at the goal, but there are way too many Blizzard in the way. Christian's bringing him down center ice. Pirates are trying to get at him, but no, they are not. He's going to take the shot, and no, the goalie stops it. Oh, noble try, noble try. That was a good play there, Christian. Good job. Nine minutes and 40 seconds left, still down 2. Blizzard wins the face-off, but don't quite make it. Pass it to nobody, bounce it off the wall. Malia passes it right into Oslim's body, bounces off. Brody intercepts it. He is bringing it down the side. There are Pirates everywhere. He is trying to get a good, clear shot. Brody shoots it wide. Doesn't quite make it. In the corner, Pirates intercept. They're now bringing it down the side of the ice here. Blizzard intercept. Pirates try to grab a hold but lose control. Christian pulls it out of the air. But thinking that might be a problem. All right, we got a face-off here. Can't quite see who is on the face-off. Looks like it was Brody. They're trying to bring it down. Pirates get it. Emmett is on it. Lippincott takes it. Come on, AJ, you got this. He tries to score, but goalie grabs it. We are 8 minutes in the final period. Looks like Emmett's going to take the face off. They are in Pirate territory. Hayford's waiting. Hayford tries to go for it. Emmett grabs it, passes it, tries to get it to Corte. They're kind of confused on who's supposed to take it, so the Pirates pull it out. Pirates are bringing it down the side of the ice, but Blizzards are on it. They are fighting over this puck in the corner. Looks like they bring it around the backside of goal. Alex is ready for him. Looks like Emmett gets the puck. He is free and clear. The Pirates are fast and on his tail. He takes a shot and goalie catches it. 7 minutes left. Down 2. It's coming down to the wire, boys.
Let's go again. Let's go defense. Let's go Pirates. Let's go Pirates. Let's go Pirates.
Face off. Emmett wins the face off. It's coming down the side. Hayford passes it to Corte. Corte grabs it, pushes it forward, and it is offsides.
Let the clock run, baby. Let the clock run.
Emmett's on it. He's trying to bring it around. He lost control, but that's okay. AJ is on it. AJ tries to make the goal. Pirates are in the way. Pirates take control, but he is back in the game here, trying to get the puck out of the corner. He takes the shot. Pirates are in the way. Pirates grab it. They are trying to bring it down center ice. There is plenty of teammates flanking him. Emmett tries to get at it. Alex blocks it. Down in the corner where I can't see, I apologize once again. Looks like Blizzards come out on top, out of that corner. And Pirates goalie grabs it. 5 minutes and 25 seconds left in the game. Let's go, Phoenix! Christian is at the face-off. He hits it, doesn't quite make it out between the Pirates skates there. They're fighting hard. Crosby's trying to get at it, but no avail here. Oh, he grabs it, he pulls it out. He's bringing it towards the center. He takes the shot. Pirate goalie bounces off. They push it to the other side, but Blizzards get a hold of it. Looks like Brody has it. He does a fake out here. Beautiful skating, my guy. Beautiful skating. Loses control of the puck for just half a second. He grabs it again. He takes the shot, but it hits the side of the goal. Bounces back into play. Brody tried to make another shot. Good for him. Too many Pirates in the way. Pirates grab hold of it, but Corte is on their tail. Hot pursuit. Pirates pass, didn't quite make it, tried to shoot it. Alex grabs it. 3 minutes, 57 seconds left. Looks like Coach Jaden is calling a timeout. Swarm versus Knights, it's over. Knights won. Knights are going to the playoffs tomorrow. We have 3 minutes and 43 minutes left to earn our spot. All right, getting back in the game here. Pirates fans are getting heated up. Puck is down. Someone is bringing it around the backside of the goal. Can't quite tell who it is from here. Bringing it down the side. Oh, loses the puck. Oh, get manhandled by the Pirates here. Is that Hayford? Cannot tell from here. Passes it, looks like to Beal. Beal pushes it forward. No one there to catch it but Pirates. Oh my! Gray tries to take the shot. Goalie blocks it and catches the puck. 2 minutes, 55 seconds. Come on, Blizzard! You got this! Looks like Emmett's on the face-off. He grabs it, he wins the face-off, but Pirates steal it from him pretty quickly. Corte's on it, trying to get it. Emmett's in there. Crosby's trying to get that puck back away from the Pirates behind the goal in Pirate territory. Crosby tries to pass it, doesn't quite connect. Pirates got the puck and they are bringing it down towards Blizzard territory. 2 minutes left. Takes the shot, does not get close. There are too many Blizzards in the way. Looks like, who is that? Blizzards are trying for it. Crosby's trying for it. Too many Pirates in the way. Brody is trying his best here. He takes the shot, but he is just too wide. Minute, 30 seconds left. Oh, Forte passes it. Pirates take a hold of it. Emmett gets him out of the way. Taking it back over. Boys are pushing hard. Brody's pushing hard. Pirates push it out. We have no goalie. All offense. Trying everything we can for this last minute. We got a penalty. Who's been penalized here? Oh no, looks like number 77 pulled a penalty. I'm not really sure what it was. I missed that. There is, oh, okay. We got Alex back in the game. Can't afford that. We have 1 minute left. Pirates get it, push it in. But that's okay. Looks like Brody's got the puck. He's going to take the shot. Can't quite connect. Bounced off the side of the goal. He's trying. Less than a minute left. 48 seconds. He's going to try for it again, but Pirates are in the way. Brody tries one more time. Forte grabs it. Lipcon grabs it. It is going back and forth. Emmett tries to get it in, no avail. Pirates grab it one more time, bring it down the center. Oh boy, Hayes will not let him go though. Not without a fight. Emmett's got the puck, he is bringing it down. 13 seconds left on the clock. Didn't quite make it, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, That was a great game, boys.
Oh, tomorrow's going to be much more fun.